Tankless water heater vs conventional tank water heater. If you're in the market for a new water heater, you may be wondering whether you should opt for a tank or a tankless type. The answer depends on your personal needs, but there are some key differences between the two. You will also need to consider your fuel options, as these are likely to influence the final price. Tank storage water heaters have been around for a long time. They are generally installed in most homes. These systems use natural gas, propane, or electricity to heat the water. They typically have a capacity of 30 to 60 gallons. However, they can be used in larger capacities. Tankless water heaters are a newer technology. Instead of heating the water in a reservoir, these models work by supplying hot water only when you need it. Compared to traditional tank water heaters, these systems are more energy efficient. They offer lower operating costs, too. Whether you're considering purchasing a conventional or tankless water heater, be sure to shop with Energy Star ratings. Having a good understanding of energy efficiency can help you save on your utility bills. Conventional tank storage water heaters are easy to install and maintain. Most plumbers can install these models without any additional training. They are affordable to replace too, but they do come with downsides. For one thing, they often fail and can cause costly damage to your home. Also, they can't be placed outside of your house. Tankless water heaters are smaller and can be installed in limited space. While they require more maintenance, they can last longer and provide you with a continuous source of hot water. Choosing a high-efficiency model can pay for itself in the long run. This is especially true if you have a large family and multiple household activities. A common drawback of tank-style water heaters is that they can easily overheat, and they can be prone to bursting with a heavy volume of water. Additionally, they may not be suitable for very large families. Unlike a tankless model is installed directly in your basement or utility room. It can be mounted near your faucet for better delivery of hot water. Installing a tankless model requires some plumbing work, so you should be prepared to have a professional do it for you. In addition, you will need to make some changes to the gas lines and your electrical wiring. Lastly, you need to be prepared to pay more upfront for a tankless water heater. The installation costs are higher as well. That being said, the overall savings you can gain on your energy bill make it worthwhile. Overall, a tankless water heater can be the best option for your needs. If you are looking for a water heater with a high energy rating, look for one with an energy factor, F, of 0.54 to 0.82. This will help you determine how quickly it will recover after a few hours of inactivity.